channel. So my name is Srinivas. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in the Salesforce data security. So here today our agenda is what is data security and what is its significance. So why data security is very crucial topic in Salesforce, and what different types of data security models available in Salesforce, and what is the difference between profile and roles, and what is OWD defaults. So these are all topics we are going to discuss today. So first of all, what is data security? Data security is very crucial for any kind of business to protect their business interest. So for example, any company, the customer information you have to store in a very protected manner. If someone stolen those data, it will be very harmful for your business. For example, you are storing customer information with their credit card information, like a credit card number. So if someone stole this data, they can able to misuse that. So in order to avoid that, you need to store your data in secure manner. So similarly in Salesforce also, we need to keep our customer information in secure way. So how that is how we are going to discuss. In order to achieve that, we need to give right access to the right people to avoid misuse of data. In your organization itself, you have many people, so you have to give permissions in a granular manner. So if some persons not required some information, means we should not give. Only required people we need to give the required access. So let's take simple example. You build a simple app related to your company, where all employee information available, including name, department, salary, and social security number like Aadhaar number. So in your company, you are going to store all the employee information. So his name, department, salary, and social. Here the social security number and salary is no need to be visible for all the employees. Only this sensitive information only visible to certain set of users like HR department. So for these fields, we are going to give access only to HR department, not all employees or all other departments. So if you see here, this is how we are going to give data security in Salesforce. So we have 4 verticals. So first one is object permissions. So object permission means in Salesforce you have different objects, right? For example, you have some object like positions. For example, take a positions. What are the available open positions in your organization? This is one object. For example, let's take like this. So this information you no need to for this object you no need to give access to all other employees. Only HR related object this one. So we will give only the HR department profile only. We will going to give the access. So this is object permission is nothing but profile. And other one is field security layer. In that one object, for example, you have one object like employee. In that you have first name, last name, home phone, or title, salary, location. This is employee object, where certain fields are sensitive informations like phone number, salary, amount, pay grade, status. These should not visible for all employees. Only certain people only, like HR department only, should have access to these fields. So this is a field security level. This is object security level, and this is a field security level. This is called field permissions. So after that, record security level. This is object. This is the first 2 are related to profile. So you are going to give object level permissions and field level security. So next is in the so after that, this is like field level and object level. But when it comes to record level, so suppose you in your organization, suppose 10 employees is there. So employee, we have to each employee they have to see their record only, not other records. So that is called record level security. So this record level security, how we can give? By using the role. So by using the roles, you can share those records only to that employee. So for example, if you have a manager and his subordinates, so manager should able to see all the employee records, but whereas the employee has to see their records only. That we can able to achieve by using OWD defaults, by creating the hierarchy and other one is role hierarchy and sharing and manual sharing. So we will see here. So as I shown in the diagram, so you can control users have access to the data in whole arc, that is a specific object, specific field, or individual record. So we have 4 types of data access. First one is organization, the whole organization access. So how you can control this one? By giving access to only authorized user, only like your employees, not outside people, by using the password policies and a limit login to certain hours and locations. So by using this way, you can able to give access to your organization. This is the entry point for your data. So you need to be very careful. Only authorized users only able to log into your organization. Next level is once they log in. So next level of permissions are object level. So object level, you can give the permissions by using profile. So for example, you can create multiple profiles. Profiles means nothing but sales profile, HR profile, or service profile. So HR, you have multiple people, right, under the HR department. So you can assign one profile for all HR department, and so that you no need to give individual permissions on object. After that, field level permissions. So after in the even say profile, after that fields. So you have to control certain fields in the object by using permission set. And record level. Record level, how you can control? You have to use the OWD defaults and roles to control visibility of the data. Only those records only they can able to see. For example, an interview can see and edit our own reviews, but not review other interviews. In your company, you have 2 interviewers. So one interview, he has to view his review given to the employees, the interview person, and he can able to edit only his reviews, not other one. So this is you can do by using the record level. So the record level data access you can able to do by this ways, using the organization wide defaults. So organization wide defaults, you can, it's a most restrictive level. Like organization wide defaults, by default we have certain things like a public, private, like that. So by most of the times we are giving the private. This is the most granular permission. Role hierarchy. You can create the role hierarchy, like you can create employees and you can create a manager. You can assign these employees to that manager, so that manager can able to see his subordinate records. And by using the sharing rules. Sharing rules means you can create automatic sharing rules. So for example, if this person is from US and he is a manager, he can able to see his subordinate records only related to US, like that. Otherwise you can able to share manually also. The records you can able to share manually. So this is way how we can give access to the Salesforce ecosystem. So this is a very crucial topic because you can get multiple questions on this topic. So they will ask what is a profile, what is a role, and what is the arc-wide default, that is called as OWD. So you are able to answer. So simply here, very simple. So you have data access organization level, and you have object level and field level and record level. So object level, field level, profile and permission sets. Record level, arc-wide defaults, role hierarchy, sharing rules, manual sharing. So thank you guys, thank you. Any questions, please put it in the comment section.